Can I reverse my transaction on Rocket Money? Intro. Hey there, you just made a purchase using Rocket Money, but then you realized you made a mistake. Maybe you bought the wrong item, or perhaps you simply changed your mind. Now, you are wondering, can I reverse this transaction? Hook. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of Rocket Money transactions and explore whether there's a way to undo a purchase. Building context. Rocket Money, formerly known as Truebill, is a popular personal finance app designed to help users manage their finances more effectively. One of its key features is the ability to make purchases directly through the app. But what happens if you make a purchase and then regret it? Addressing the main question. Unfortunately, the short answer is no, you cannot directly reverse a transaction made through Rocket Money. Once a purchase is completed, it's typically irreversible. Why is it irreversible? There are a few reasons for this. Third-party vendors. When you make a purchase through Rocket Money, it's often processed by a third-party vendor. These vendors have their own policies and procedures, which may not allow for reversals. Real-time transactions. Many transactions are processed in real time, meaning they're immediately sent to the vendor. This makes it difficult to stop the transaction before it's completed. Security concerns. Reversing transactions could pose security risks. It could open the door to fraudulent activities and compromise the integrity of the system. Exploring alternatives. While you can't directly reverse a transaction, there are a few alternatives you can explore. Contact the vendor. If you made a purchase from a specific vendor through Rocket Money, you can try contacting them directly. Some vendors may have their own policies for returns or refunds. Dispute the charge. If you believe you were charged incorrectly or that the purchase was unauthorized, you can dispute the charge with your bank or credit card company. Review Rocket Money's policies. It's always a good idea to review Rocket Money's terms of service and privacy policy. These documents may provide additional information about returns, refunds, and dispute resolution. Additional tips. Here are some tips to help you avoid making regrettable purchases in the future. Double-check. Before confirming a purchase, always double-check the details, including the item, price, and quantity. Read reviews. If you're unsure about a product or service, read reviews from other customers to get a better idea of its quality. Consider alternatives. If you're not completely satisfied with a purchase, explore alternative options before making a decision. Conclusion. While it's disappointing that you can't directly reverse a transaction on Rocket Money, there are still options available to you. By contacting the vendor, disputing the charge, or reviewing Rocket Money's policies, you may be able to resolve the issue. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.